Companies are looking for shortcuts to save money. But if they're not using certified HP Genuine Long Life Consumables or LLCs in their printers, those shortcuts could be a poor investment. More than half of printer technicians agree that aftermarket maintenance and fuser kits more than double a printer's cost per page compared with reliable HP LLCs. Rob Richardson of Allied Document Solutions and Services says, "These maintenance kits are much like toner. If you pay less, you get less." Studies show that without HP maintenance kits, your HP printers will require more service calls and cause more downtime. Printer technicians are almost 3 times as likely to make a service call due to the use of aftermarket kits and parts, compared to customers using HP LLCs. Richardson states, "The promise of savings isn't real, and we're working with our customers to outline total costs and long-term efficiencies." The numbers are eye-opening. 80% of printer technicians say that HP maintenance and fuser kits have a longer life than aftermarket kits and parts. And Richardson points out, in one example, the customer purchased 90% more kits by ordering refurbished. In another example, the quantity needed was 64% more. Avoid wasting time and money. Choose certified HP Genuine LLCs for their proven reliability, lower cost per page, and fewer service calls. The expert's preferred choice.